Have you ever felt frustrated by your terminal emulator? Maybe you've watched endless logs scroll by, only for the output to lag like a slow slideshow. Or perhaps you've tried to split your screen for multitasking, but the shortcuts just don't work. If you've spent time tweaking config files only to see your changes disappear after a restart, you're not alone. Many developers face these pain points every day, which can really slow down productivity and make coding less enjoyable. But what if there was a solution that could make all these problems disappear in just 5 minutes? Let me introduce you to Ghostty, the terminal emulator that's changing the game in 2024. Ghostty is designed to be fast, beautiful, and incredibly easy to use. With GPU acceleration, zero configuration, and perfect split-screen support, it's up and running in just 5 minutes. After switching to Ghostty, you'll notice your development experience becomes smoother and more enjoyable. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up Ghostty step by step so you can boost your productivity right away. Ghostty is a modern terminal emulator started by HashiCorp co-founder Mitchell Hashimoto in 2021 and officially open-sourced at the end of 2024. Since then, it's become one of the fastest-growing terminal projects, loved by developers for its speed, beauty, and usability. Ghostty is completely free and open-source, making it accessible to everyone. Let's explore what makes Ghostty stand out from the crowd. Ghostty brings 3 core advantages to your workflow. First, it's really fast, thanks to GPU accelerated rendering, whether you're on macOS or Linux. Community tests show it outperforms traditional terminals, especially when scrolling through large logs. Second, it's visually stunning, with a native UI, hundreds of built-in themes, and support for transparent frosted glass effects. Third, it's highly usable right out of the box, with zero configuration required, support for displaying images directly in the terminal, and one-key split screen with permanent layout saving. With Ghostty, you don't have to choose between speed and aesthetics, you get both. Getting started with Ghostty is incredibly simple. Whether you're on macOS or Linux, installation takes just a minute. On macOS, use Homebrew to install Ghostty, and on Linux, you can use your package manager or compile from source. Once installed, you'll be ready to open Ghostty and start configuring it to your liking. Don't worry if you see 2 windows pop up the first time. One is a drop-down terminal, and we'll sort that out in the next steps. Ghosty's configuration is straightforward. The config file is located at .config ghostty config. You can open it with your favorite editor and paste in a minimal configuration to get started. Set your theme, font, split-screen shortcuts, window padding, and background opacity. Save the file and reload Ghostty to see your changes take effect. This simple setup ensures you're ready to work efficiently, with a terminal that looks and feels just right. Now, let's test Ghosty's split screen feature. Press Cmd D to create a new split on the right, or Cmd Shift D to add one below. Cmd W closes the current split, and Cmd Shift Enter toggles full screen mode. Try running your development server on the left and monitoring logs on the right. You'll notice how smooth and responsive everything feels, thanks to Ghosty's GPU acceleration. Ghosty's split-screen management is one of its standout features. With intuitive shortcuts, you can quickly add screens to the right or below, switch focus with your mouse, or cycle through splits using Command+F or Command+F. This makes multitasking effortless, whether you're coding, monitoring system resources, or running multiple commands at once. Your layout is automatically saved, so you can pick up right where you left off. If you love customizing your workspace, Ghostty has you covered with over 200 built-in themes. Switching themes is as simple as changing a line in your config file and reloading Ghostty. Whether you prefer dark, light, or colorful themes, there's something for everyone. The Catppuccin Mocha theme, for example, is easy on the eyes and perfect for long coding sessions. Ghostty lets you create custom shortcuts to streamline your workflow. The configuration format is simple. Keybind equals key combo equals action. You can set up shortcuts for clearing the screen, opening new tabs, switching between tabs, searching, and more. This flexibility means you can tailor Ghostty to fit your exact needs, making your development process faster and more efficient. How does Ghostty stack up against other popular terminals like iTerm2 and Warp? After hands-on testing, the results are clear. If you want pure performance and aesthetics, Ghostty is the way to go. If you're deeply invested in the iTerm 2 ecosystem, you might prefer to stick with it. And if you need a built-in AI assistant, Warp could be your choice. For most developers, Ghosty's speed, simplicity, and active open source community make it the top pick. Take your terminal to the next level by installing Starship, a cross-shell prompt tool. Starship displays useful information like your Git branch, execution time, and language version right in your prompt. With the Catppuccin theme, your prompt becomes both functional and visually appealing. Installation is quick, and integrating Starship with Ghostty makes your workflow even more powerful. Ghostty pairs perfectly with system monitoring tools like FastFetch and btop. FastFetch displays system information such as CPU, memory, and OS version, while btop provides real-time monitoring of CPU, memory, and processes. With Ghosty's split-screen feature, you can keep an eye on your system resources while coding, all in one window. This setup is ideal for developers who want to stay informed and efficient. If you use Claude Code, Anthropic's AI coding assistant, Ghostty is the perfect companion. Install the Claude Code CLI and start it in Ghostty. You can let Claude write code on the left and open a split on the right to run tests. This setup doubles your efficiency, allowing you to harness the power of AI while keeping everything organized and accessible. You might have a few questions about Ghostty. Does it support Windows? Not yet, but support is in development. Where is the config file? You'll find it at .config, Ghostty, config. Does the split screen layout save? Absolutely, just set Windows Save State to Always, and Ghostty will restore your layout every time you open it. These features make Ghostty reliable and user-friendly for daily development. Here's a complete Ghostty config file you can copy and use right away. It includes the Catppuccin Mocha theme, optimized split-screen shortcuts, Starship integration, and common tool aliases. Just back up your original config, create the config directory, paste in the new config, and reload Ghostty. This setup is designed to maximize your productivity and make your terminal experience enjoyable. To use the full config, first back up your existing config file if you have one. Then, create the config directory if it doesn't exist, paste the provided config into the file, and reload Ghostty. This ensures you have a safe setup and can easily revert if needed. With these steps, you'll be up and running with a powerful, customized terminal in no time. Ghostty isn't perfect, but it solves 80% of the common pain points developers face. It's fast, thanks to GPU acceleration, and can handle huge logs without lag. With over 200 themes and frosted glass effects, it's easy on the eyes. One-key split screen and auto-saving layouts make it highly usable. Best of all, it's completely free and open source, with no paywalls or hidden costs. Ready to experience Ghostty for yourself? Copy the config code, paste it into your config Ghostty config file, and press Cmd+D to try out the one-key split screen. In just 5 minutes, you'll see why so many developers are switching to Ghostty. It's time to upgrade your terminal and boost your productivity. For more information, check out the official Ghostty website and GitHub repository. These resources provide detailed documentation, updates, and community support. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, you'll find everything you need to make the most of Ghostty. Stay connected with the community and keep your terminal experience fresh and efficient. Ghostty is a powerful, modern terminal emulator that addresses the most common developer frustrations. With GPU acceleration, beautiful themes, easy split screen, and a vibrant open source community, it's a tool worth trying in 2024. Spend just 5 minutes setting it up, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in your workflow. Upgrade your terminal, enjoy a smoother coding experience, and stay ahead with Ghostty.